In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Sales Navigator Lite plugin. Unlike the other plugins that we've discussed, the Sales Navigator Lite plugin is not an active use one. It sits passively in your email, and as you're typing in email addresses, it will show you if there is a LinkedIn connected to that email address. It's a very useful way to backdooring into someone's LinkedIn, especially if you can't find them through a Google search because of their privacy settings. So for instance, I'll type in my own email, and my LinkedIn will show up, and all you need to do to view a LinkedIn is click the name, and voila, you have my LinkedIn page here, and you can use Rocket Reach and the other plugins that we discussed. One of the other useful things about Sales Navigator Lite is that you can actually plug in lists of emails all at once and check multiple emails to see if there's a LinkedIn. So I'm on this website, Proactive CPAs, and I'm going to use Email Hunter to find all the emails that are on this website. And instead of checking them one by one, I can actually just copy all of them, paste them all at once into my email, and then I can see as I hover my mouse over each one, this one, Elaine, has a LinkedIn associated with it, Beth does not, and Pam does. So you would pick the highest ranking one. In this case, we're looking for Pam, so we would click on Pam's LinkedIn. And very simply, we would use that to find her contact information.